This 3-ingredient recipe is a game changer for anyone who likes to prep meals under 10 minutes. And did I tell you that it tastes like vegan squid? Let's get started with green chili seafood mushroom stir fry. And if you're watching this channel for the first time, welcome to Alchemy. These are called seafood mushrooms. They have long stems with a small cute cap. Now cut 1.5 inch from the roots and wash them well under cold water. Discard any stems that are slimy or discolored. Throw them in a bowl and add in a pinch of turmeric powder and let it marinate for about 10 minutes. Let me tell you a secret. My granny taught to my mom and she taught to me that this is how you tell if your mushrooms are edible. It should not turn blue. We take in some shallots or pearl onions and chop, chop, chop. Few green chilies. Okay, that's not few, that's 6 in total. I like it spicy, so if you can't hold it, don't go for 6, just take 3. Next we have the versatile curry leaves. It's optional to add them in, but when they are roasted, they impart flavor to this green chili seafood mushroom stir fry. Once the chilies are roasted, add in the shallots and then the curry leaves. Give it 2 minutes for them to be roasted. Okay, mine didn't turn blue and so we proceed. Add in our seafood mushroom and give it a mix. By the way, have you ever cooked with seafood mushrooms or any kind of mushrooms? Or what's your favorite way of eating them? Type in the comments down below. Before I forget, let's sprinkle some salt over it. You are going to see some water getting released and that's perfectly okay. It's how it should be. Cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes and not more than that because it would turn mushy and we don't want to eat mushy mushrooms, do we? So what goes well with this? You can plate up hot rice along with this or even serve it as a starter. But don't forget to add this to your vegan dinner ideas. I mean, less than 10 minutes to prep a meal. It's a serious time saver. You understand? Now go ahead, give me the thumbs up by clicking that like button, and if this was mouth-watering, check out how I made oyster mushroom nuggets or some dessert options, and until next time, see you later.